What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We are now on day 52 of this beginning 5K program. You guys are doing marvelous, so let's get moving. All right, day 52, that means a rest day, so you can rest, or you can do an upper body workout, or you can do yoga or stretch, but just make sure you rest up those legs for tomorrow. But just because it's a rest day doesn't mean that Coach Robin doesn't have something important to say, so here she is.
Hi my friends, it is Wednesday and that is rest and recovery day. So I am going to do a little bit of resting like my friend Snickers here. She's showing you a very good example of how we rest. And I'm going to do some recovery stretches today. I'm going to just do a full body stretch routine, something I can find on YouTube, or just do some stretches I know myself. But I suggest you could Google it or go on YouTube and just say, full body stretches. But first I'm going to get a little rest in like my friend Snickers, and then I'm going to do some recovery stretches. So I hope you find something productive to do today, and rest your legs because we have some good running days coming up in front of us this week. So tomorrow we're back at it, and we are going to do 2 miles, but we're going to bump up again on Saturday, so don't fret. Anyway, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.
All right, 52 days down. You guys are doing fantastic. You don't have that much more. It's only 70 days in the whole program, so you're going to have that 5K in the bag very soon. So if you like this program, make sure you click that thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified every time we put out any kind of healthy living video. Also, if you know anybody who can use a 5K program, and you know this is a beginning one, so most people who are very new to running or not new to running at all, but want to get into the sport of running, this is a great program to get them there. So make sure you share it with them so they can get the same benefit that you've gotten out of this. And just want to say thanks again, and until tomorrow, we will see you. Have a good one, everybody.